The management as a process refers to an identifiable flow of information through interrelated stages of analysis, directed towards achievement of an objective. Management refers to various functions which a manager performs in an organization. On the basis of comprehensive managerial functions made by various authors, following are the functions. 1. Planning. 2. Organizing. 3. Staffing. 4. Directing. Directing can be divided further as A. Leadership, B. Communication, C. Motivation, and D. Supervision. 5. Controlling. Planning. Planning involves the questions: what to do, when to do, how to do, who does. Definition of planning: the determination in advance of a line of action by which certain results are to be achieved. Planning is the selecting and relating of facts and the making and using of assumptions regarding the future in the visualization and formulation of proposed activities believed necessary to achieve desired results. Planning helps in determining the course of action to be followed for achieving the various organizational objectives. Steps in planning: 1. Gathering information. 2. Laying down objectives. 3. Developing planning premises. 4. Examining alternative courses of action. 5. Evaluation of action. 6. Reviewing limitations. 7. Implementation of plan. Types of planning: short-range plan, medium-range plans, long-range plans, standing plans, single-use plan, strategic plans, administrative plans and operational plans. Organizing: the process of identifying and grouping work to be performed. Organizing involves to arrange, guide, coordinate, direct, and control of activities of other factors of production, viz., men, material, money, and machine. Organizing: 1. To identify work to be performed. 2. To classify or group the work. 3. To assign these groups of activities or work to individuals. 4. To delegate authority and fix responsibility. 5. Coordinate these authority-responsibility relationship of various activities. Types of organizing: 1. Line organizations. In it, authority flows vertically from the top of the hierarchy to the bottom. 2. Functional organizations. Work is divided into different departments, each of which deals in one type of work and it specializes in one work only. A workman has to work under many superiors who specialize in different functions. 3. Line and staff organizations. It provides for specialists with line executives. It is a combination of line and functional form of organization. Staffing: filling and keeping filled positions in the organization structure through defining workforce requirements. Thus staffing consists of following functions. 1. Manpower planning, i.e. assessing manpower requirement in terms of quality. 2. Recruitment, selection and training. 3. Placement of manpower. 4. Development, promotion, transfer and appraisal. 5. Determination of employee remuneration. It is one of the most challenging managerial functions as it concerns human beings whose behavior and action cannot be predicted, hence it becomes a distinct and specialized branch of management. Directing: direction is moving to action and supplying simulative power to the group. Directing concerns in which manner a manager influences the action of subordinates. Direction is called management in action. It's a continuous function, performed at all levels of management. The main functions involved in direction as follows. 1. Leadership. 2. Communication. 3. Motivation and 4. Supervision. Controlling. determining what is being accomplished, that is evaluating the performance and if necessary, applying corrective measures so that the performance takes place according to the plans, aims and objectives. Managers at various levels of management continuously assess the performance of their subordinates. To be effective, a control system must conform to the nature of activity, report deviations promptly, reflect organization structure, assure corrective action and be economical and flexible.
This is all about functions of management POSDC. Friends, you must have experienced management at your home, schools and offices, small or big. Management and its functions applied everywhere. Imagine who is applying management functions at your home, mostly because in India the functions of management being practiced at every home since centuries, even without reading any book of management. We learn first lesson of management functions at our home and gradually these functions work in a big way in our life at higher stages level. Please show this video to all family members and assess who is executing management functions well. If you are interested on management video, then there is one video on management in Indian perspective put in description, that is in Hindi. Please watch that also. Friends, I hope you must have liked the video. If yes, please subscribe the channel for watching videos on management, technology, current affairs and sometimes for quick entertainment. Thanks.